Hello, my name is Gordon De Silva of Gordon's Night and the Success Story Builder. This is a quick introduction to our seminar, the £2 Million Seminar, which purports to help small businesses like you improve their cash flow and personal and business wealth by £2 million in around 25 years. Now, this is of course a reasonable length of time because we're not here to make rash and bold statements that cannot be substantiated. I'm very much hands-on, feet on the ground realism. And what I'm hoping that you will understand from this quick introduction to the seminar is that the ideas we bring are simple but effective ideas that will grow your business. But judge for yourself. Just listen in for the next 5 to 6 minutes and just hear what we have to say about the contents of the seminar to realize that you are willing to attend and spend 2 hours of your time with me just hearing me out on some of the ideas we have that may benefit you significantly. Often before we even start, people ask, what's your role going to be? Are you going to try to take over from our accountant or our directors? And the answer is of course no. Our potential role is we'll work alongside your existing accountant if you're happy with them, because they provide a valuable service to you. They trust you, they understand your business, they know your business. We'll work alongside you, the owner, and we'll work alongside your team. In fact, we will do anything in our power to help you generate the profits you require. So let's look now at the contents of the seminar. The seminar covers a few broad areas. The main ones are, for example, growing your business. So let me give you an example of one of the questions I ask people at the seminar. What are the 3 most important things that determine your business success? Some businesses know them off the top of their head. Other businesses need to think about it more carefully. So go ahead and list down on a piece of paper 3 things that are really important and determine your business success. Go ahead and do that now. If you can pause the tape, take whatever time you need and just carry on and press play when you've got these 3 things written down. Great. If you're watching this tape still, it probably means you've got the 3 things listed down or clearly marked in your head. So let's ask ourselves some questions about these 3 things. Do you measure these 3 things at least monthly? The answer is probably yes or no. Do you discuss these 3 things at a board level on a monthly basis? Now often this answer will be no, simply because people say, well, I don't have a board, so how can I discuss it at board level? At our seminar, we'll understand the importance of discussing this at board level, and we can help you with that. The third question is, do you create an action list to improve these 3 things at least monthly? Now, if you answered no to any of these 3 questions, consider just for a moment what would happen to your business results. Just get a gut feeling of what would happen to your business results if you did nothing else we talk about at the seminar, except this one thing. Ignore the other 10, 20, 100 different items we will discuss at the seminar that will increase your wealth. Just concentrate on this one for now. What impact would it have on your business if you relentlessly focused on these things again and again and again, every day, every week, every month, every year? What would happen to your results? Of course, most people tell me they will go sky high. That's exactly what we're going to be talking about. There is so much more of the seminar. So, attend and find out for yourself how much we could benefit you. The other main thing we're going to be talking about at the seminar are tax strategies. Tax strategies are all about paying less tax because we believe that paying less tax is critical to growing your wealth. Of course, the more you pay the tax man, the less you have for yourself. And if you're paying the tax man large amounts of tax, then you have less money for your personal development, you have less money for your hobbies, you have less money for your family, you have less money for your business and its expansion. How many times do entrepreneurs have a new idea and want to expand into new services or new products? That's typically what entrepreneurs do, isn't it? They expand their business. How many times do you have to go to the bank and ask them for more money because you've got a new idea? And that's completely part of the development process, isn't it? Well, how would it be if you could expand your business and pay absolutely no tax on all these expansion profits? No tax at all. Zero. Imagine making a £40,000 extra profit and paying no tax. That would save you more than £48,000 over just 3 years. Isn't that attractive? Come along to the seminar, find out more about how this will benefit you. So let's look at some of the financial strategies maybe that we'll be discussing. Now, a lot of the financial strategies have a tax bias. Have you paid tax on over £240,000 of income over the last 4 years? That would be a lot of tax, wouldn't it? Would you like some or lots of it back? I bet you would, right? Come along to the seminar and discover some of the real strategies we can bring. Now, these are strategies that the average accountant may or may not have under their belt. Okay? The average accountant is typically a GP, a general practitioner. If you imagine your doctor as a GP, they're a jack of all trades. They know a little about a lot. If you then think about a brain surgeon, they know a lot about a little. What they don't know about brain surgery is probably not worth knowing. At the same time, they probably couldn't fix a bad back or a common cold or whatever else, right? But you go to them for specific advice on certain things that are important, of course. In the same way, your accountant may well be a GP, very good at understanding a whole load about your business and your accounts. And we come up with the specific strategies that will determine exactly what tax we can save on a different level completely. Okay, because we're just specialists in that area. So we specialize in two things. One, making businesses more money, and two, when they have made more money, allowing them to pay much less tax. Come along to the seminar and discover how much we can help your business. We're going to be talking all through the seminar about adding to your wealth, because we consider that to be important. If you consider that to be important, I can suggest that you should come to the seminar. Now, all I know is the people who've been to the seminar rate it very highly. But you will have to determine that for yourself. No one else's view matters at all. Just yours. I could name you 20, 30, 100 people who've come to the seminar and feel it was valuable to them. But you may not. I suspect you will. But I need you to discover that for yourself based on what you've heard already so far. During the seminar, we will show you how an ordinary business took their profits from £30,000 to over £200,000 in under 5 years. Now that's a pretty big improvement, and we did some pretty clever things with this person, but they were simple things, and they work. Clearly they work. We'll be using proven strategies, business strategies, as well as tax strategies. We'll be using simple strategies. They're going to be simple as well because we want them to be implemented. If they're highly complicated, it's difficult to put these business strategies into place. And we're going to be using up-to-the-minute tax-saving strategies that will reduce the amount you pay to the tax man and leave more in your bank account for things that you consider important. Testimonials will be available on the day. In fact, part of the program is to show you a video testimonial from this very ordinary business we were talking about. And of course, a free trial will be offered to you on the day. If you'd like to book now, just give me a call. But if you can't wait for the next seminar, contact me today. Call Gordon De Silva on 0208 241 3000. Email me at gds@gordonsnight.co.uk or fax me on 0208 241 3333. I'm really looking forward to speaking to you, maybe meeting you at one of our events or in person on a one-to-one basis. Either way, I'm sure when we work together, we'll make great things happen. I look forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.